Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Hi, can I touch you? Oh, okay.
You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted.
Buffy, you snore too damn loud. If you don't snore tonight, I promise I will bring you to the beach tomorrow. Deal?
Your mom looks like a dog.
You want a treat? You want to go outside? You want some big booty bitches? Just like your old man.
Documents were in place. Buford, you listening? Now get this. That's when the subcommittee had to reallocate the funds and then...
Oh my god, I'm so hungry. I could eat Bailey right now. I could eat a fat ass named Bailey.
Remy, sit. Speak. Fuck! Good boy.